Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be reviewing these Morimoto LED fender lights on my BMW E90. These not only fit an E90 but also fit an E91, E92, E93, E46, E36, E81, E82, E87, E88, E60, E61, E84, and E83. So to cover that in the series, that would be the 1 series, 3 series, 5 series, X1, and X3 of certain generations. A link to these lights will be included in the video description, and they do have a fitment guide on their website. These are a direct plug-and-play setup, so no modifications are required for your vehicle. These will not cause any errors either. Out of the box you can see they are neatly packed. These have a smoked look, are not fully black, and illuminate an amber color to match the factory. The lenses also feature an anti-UV coating to ensure they have a long life, providing that protection from deteriorating. Replacing the factory incandescent bulbs with these LEDs, there will be an improvement on light output, quicker startup time, and a much longer lifespan. As you can see, they have an identical shape and size to the factory BMW versions. Installing these are very straightforward. Push on the front of the light towards the rear of the car, then pop out the front portion first. Pull the light out. Twist and pull out the light connector. There is a tab that needs to be disconnected, however those typically break with age. Remove the old bulb. These lights are designed to plug into the factory bulb connection. Push the wire into the assembly, then install the light bulb socket into the new assembly. Push it in, then twist to lock it into place. Insert the rear of the light in, the side with the spring tab into the fender hole. Push back and then lock it into place. Once in, here you can see how it looks. These use a high-powered OSRAM LED which will improve visibility both at night and during the day to ensure other motorists see you on the road. It blends in great with the black paint on my car and will match many other colors as well. As you can see, the light has a quicker startup and shutdown time than compared to the factory incandescent bulbs, beyond being brighter as well. The UV-coated polycarbonate lenses, these will stand the test of time, ensuring they always look new and don't fade within a few months like other versions on the market. Morimoto is a very reputable brand. I have been using some of their products in the past, and they are extremely well made. Overall, I'm extremely happy with how these lights look on my car along with their quality and fitment. Have you purchased this product in the past? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, it's a huge help to me. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.